Welcome. We will begin the most known definition of derivative. The most known definition of derivative is like that. Think a function f of x and a point x1, y1 on that function. The derivative of f of x is shown as like this, and it is the limit x goes to x1 f of x minus f of x1 over x minus x1. This is the derivative of this function. Now, if we want to see this in a specific example, let's look at the function y is equal to x squared and the point on that function a. Our function will be like this, and let me show the point here. What is the derivative of this function? It is shown as f derivative of x is equal to limit x goes to a f of x minus fa over x minus a. Now, if we continue this operation, it will be equal to limit x goes to a. What is f of x? It is x squared minus a squared over x minus a, which will be equal to limit x goes to a, x minus a times x plus a over x minus a. Then our definition will be limit x goes to a, x plus a is the derivative of this function. If we look at the point 2, 4, our derivative will be limit x goes to a, x plus a is equal to 2a. Then limit x goes to 2, which is 2 times 2, which is equal to 4, is our derivative. Now we will see the definitions of the derivative using different functions. First, we will look at the functions like x to the n is equal to y. What is the derivative of this function? We use this method. The n comes in front of the x and we subtract 1 from the substitute, which is equal to derivative of y is n times x to the n minus 1. It is that easy. Now, if we give a specific example, y is equal to 5x squared. What is the derivative of this function? It is shown as like this, or f derivative of x, or we can show it d over dx f of x is equal to 2 is here, 5 times 2, and multiplied by x, 2 minus 1, which will be equal to 10 times x over 1 will be our derivative. Another example, we will look at the definitions after then do the examples. Y is equal to x times x to the minus 2. How will we do the derivative of this function? Derivative of this function is equal to minus 2 times x minus 2 minus 1, which is equal to minus 2 multiplied by x to the minus 3. And so the derivative of this function is minus 2 over x to the 3. Another example, the derivative of 1 over x will be our problem. Y is equal to 1 over x. What is derivative of this function? Also, we can show it d over dx fx of this function is equal to. We can do this. Derivative of y is equal to, we can bring x upside of the definition, x to the minus 1, the derivative of this. Then, how we will do? We will get the minus 1 in front of the definition. Minus 1 multiplied by x to the minus 1 minus 1. Then, it will be equal to minus 1 multiplied by x to the minus 2, which is equal to minus 1 over 2 x squared. Now, another example for this type of definitions, root of numbers or functions. Let's see how is it going on. Our function is y is equal to the root of x. How will we get the derivative of this function? The method is same. The derivative of this function is equal to 1, 2, because it is square root. Here is 1 and here is 2. It can be shown as x to the 1 over 2. The derivative of this function. We will go on the same procedure and get the result. Derivative of y is equal to 1 over 2 is in front of the x, 1 over 2 multiplied by x, and we will subtract 1 from this definition, 1 over 2 minus 1. Then if we continue this operation, it is 1 over 2 x to the minus 1 over 2, which is equal to 1 over 2 root of x. This is the derivative of our function y root x. Another example from these definitions of derivatives, we will look at the derivative of constants. The constants of derivatives y simplified is equal to 0. Derivative of y is equal to 0. How it is solved? Let's look at. We can put our function y is equal to 5 x to the 0, which is equal to 1. So we can put this definition here. Now let's go on our procedure. Derivative of y is equal to 5 times 0 will be brought to in front of the definition times 0 times the result will be 0 because there is a 0 in our definition, which is equal to 0. So it is so easy. What is the derivative of multiplied functions? Let's think a multiplied function, and we will go on our lesson in the second tutorial.